Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about this new project called Holy Chickens, and this is the first time that I'm going to use this project. So if you're a first timer as well, I think it is best for you to watch this video so that we can understand we can understand more while we are trying to navigate and critique this project, of course. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, guys, thank you so much. Again, this is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content. Even though we are growing slowly, I think it's still awesome because you guys are watching. So thank you so much, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so Holy Chickens. So use BUSD to earn chicks and to stake and sell for BUSD. So reviewing this kind of project, I didn't see this kind of like, I don't see any fork like this one, especially in the platform. I don't see. So let's criticize if this project is any good or not. Okay, so first of all, the total invested user is just 48 people. And they do have a supply of 1.2 million, right? 1.2 million. And the total chicks that are circulating is at 152,000. So per chick it is 0.06. Okay. For you to be able to get the chick, you need to mint, or you need to stake your BUSD. Okay. So this BUSD that you're going to stake, you won't be able to withdraw this. It is being mentioned here. So let's try to put, let's say, $30. Do we have a $30? Yeah, do we have a, let's try, let's start at $30. $30, okay. I hope I have some money for the gas fee. Oh my god, let me check. Oh, okay, we pretty much have enough money for the gas fee. But yeah, here it is. So it's going to be approved. So such a big apologies for my hair because I literally got awake again. And basically this is what I do every single time. I do research some projects, I check projects. If I feel pretty much tired, I sleep whatever time it is on the day. And yeah, after that we've already approved it. Let's try to use this. I think this is the right method. Let's try to use it. So the APR is at 1,460%. So if we are going to divide it, calculator, let's open a calculator. It's 1,460. Hey, why is it not working? Hey, what's happening? Yo. 1,460 divided by 6365. That's 4%. 4% a day. Yeah, 4% a day. So basically, that's around 10%. No. It's around 10 to 12 days for you to get like more like the ROI in the mint chicks. Yep. So you will be getting it in a form of chicks. Okay, so these chicks that you have, okay, you will be able to stake this one as well to earn more chicks. So it means you have a choice. Okay, either you're going to sell the chicks, or you're going to stake the chicks. Okay, so there's like two earning mechanisms that you could probably try here. But of course, if you want to withdraw your money, you're just going to let's say you're going to sell the tokens that you're going to get. So Okay, so if you got a chick, okay, you will be getting HCHK token, which is at 0. I guess this is the price, right? 0.006. So let's try to stake. Okay, let's stake this one because why not? We can afford to stake. Come on, bro. You can afford to stake, man. It's like we're just reinvesting some of our profits from other projects, and I'm always up for that. To be honest, guys. So, yep. We've already have stake, and we can have more chicks to come, and of course, yeah, you can sell some of your earn tokens in here if you have. So let's say you have 750 tokens. That's like 4 BUSD, which is not bad, right? So I would suggest in my case, because I just started with a really small amount of money. My suggestion here is that I think it's better if you're going to reinvest it at the point wherein you're pretty much happy with how much you're getting, okay? Or maybe you can put more, right? So that you will be able to make more as well inside this platform. Of course, this ain't a financial advice. Do not invest what you can afford to lose. But of course, they also have an airdrop in here wherein if you complete the challenges, you can receive up to 100 chicks every 7 days. So that's a weekly airdrop, 100 chicks. So that will actually help you. And yeah, the first challenge is at 100 BUSD. So obviously, I need to stake more in the next couple of days to come. And yeah, the challenge 2 is like you have at least 7 days until the last claim. So the challenge number 3 is have more than 5 referrals. So of course, I will be putting the link into the description box below on how you'll be able to join this one. Okay, what is the website? And they do also have a white paper. So this the first one is discussing their airdrops wherein you can get 5 HCHK, that's very hard to say, tokens for following them on Twitter, 10 HCHK if you're retweeting their pin tweet, and also airdrop of 200 HCHK if someone makes a YouTube video about the project and provides a screenshot. So probably I will get this from them. This 200 HCHK. You owe me already 200 HCHK, bro. HCHK tokens already. Oh my god, the token name is very hard to pronounce. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyway, so this is how Holy Chicken's been organized. Why is it anonymous? Of course, it is their choice if they want to be anonymous. What are some of the instructions, how to actually use, how to play with this platform. Also, what are the tokenomics, which is this one, which is 1.2 million HCHK. Alright, so I would say it is kind of deflationary, and this is the first time that I see this kind of like a mechanism, more of like a gamified DeFi. So we always support these kind of projects, even though we are not able to grasp it fully. So guys, again, this is Holy Chickens. I will be making an update after 7 days if like what happened in here. Okay, so we're going to make an update for that. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys. Back again with new content every single time. Even though we are not that educated in these new projects, I am still going to try my best to create a review and have maybe some like an opinion about this one. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.